Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Virgin Galactic. I've talked about them a couple times here on the channel, and they're down quite a bit right now. So could be a buying opportunity. I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice here on the channel, but looks like it could definitely be a buying opportunity to me. So it looks like it's on the way down. Over the last year, it's down over 62%. In the last 3 months, down over 57%. In the last month, it's down over 32%. In the last week, down over 16%. And here's a look today, so down over 18%. So kind of, I don't know what's going on with this one, but it's been a while since I've talked about this one, so I thought I'd do a video and see if there's any new information out there on this one. If you don't know much about Virgin Galactic, it's an aerospace and space travel company which engages in the manufacture and advanced air and space vehicles, the provision of space flight services for private individuals and researchers. It was founded in 2017. 70.52 million shares, average volume of 13.70, so the volume was up quite a bit today. $2.59 billion market cap, 52-week high of, or 52-week low of $10.02, and that was hit today. 52-week high of $62.80, so if you'd done an option on this going down, you'd have done pretty well. That's the only way you would have made some money on this one. But ratings on this one currently at 42% here on Robinhood, and next earnings is expected on February 24th after hours. Here's a look at where I bought mine. It's just a partial share. I threw $10 at it, and back when it was $17.01, and so back in June of 2020, so about the same time where they started doing the partial shares, I just threw $10 at this one, so, and I'm down 40%. So over here on Bing, currently showing this one as a hold. Virgin Galactic Holdings announces a proposed convertible senior notes offering. This is dated on the 13th, so here today. Today announced the intention to offer, subject to market and other conditions, $425 million aggregate principal amount of convertible senior notes due by 2027. The notes will be senior unsecured obligations of Virgin Galactic, will accrue interest payable semi-annually in arrears on February 1st and August 1st of the year, and beginning on August 1st of 2022. So feel free to pause and go over the rest of that information there for yourself. Moving on over here, Virgin Galactic Holdings Incorporated forecast reassessing the past, and again this is dated here today. So concluded the trading at $12.37 on Wednesday the 12th, with a fall of 0.16, and as you can see it's already below that, so it's still going down. Taking a look at the stock, we noticed that the last check on previous day was $12.39. The monthly beta was reading 0.32, with the price kept floating in the range of $12.06 and $12.70 on the day. Considering the stock's 52-week price range provides that space hit a high price of $62.80 and saw its price falling to a low of $11.30 during that period. Over a period of the past 1 month, the stock came subtracting minus 16.48% in its value. With the current market valuation of $3.02 or $3.02 billion, Virgin Galactic Holdings is set to declare its quarterly results on February 23 of 2022 to February 28th. Analysts are estimates of minus 34 cents per share for company's earnings in the current quarter and are expecting its annual EPS growth moving up to minus $1.56 for 2021, with estimates of that growing to minus $1.29 in the next year. These estimates are suggesting current year growth of minus 24.80% for EPS and 17.30% growth next year. Analysts watching the company's growth closely have provided estimates for its revenue growth, with a average revenue estimate of $350,000, and keeping analysts' consensus estimate with company as forecast will be making an annual revenue of $3.17 million in 2021, which will be 1,231.90% more from revenue generated by the company last year. Here it's shown as a sell. We'll go over some more ratings here at the end. Virgin Galactic Holdings is expected to grow by or more than minus 318.25%, and this is dated here today. So they saw 25.72 million shares changing hands at the last check today. It's beta currently measuring 0.25. Company's recent per share price level was $10.52, trading at minus $1.85 or 14.92% at the last check. Today assigns it to a market valuation of $3.02 billion. The most recent trading price of SPCE stock is a discount of minus 496.96%. from its 52-week high price of $62.80, indicating a discount of minus 7.41% from its 52-week low price of $11.30. So it's down quite a bit right now. So if you have any information in regards to why it's down so far, you can leave that in the comments. That would be appreciated. Virgin Galactic stock tumbles to the lowest in 2 years after a debt raising plan, and this is just out 5 hours ago. Virgin Galactic Holdings stock on Thursday looked poised to close at its lowest in 2 years after the company announced plans to issue more debt to fuel its space tourism business. And there's a look at one of their aircraft. Like I said, I've done videos on this in the past, so I'll link those in the description as well. But here's SpaceX, Virgin Galactic, Blue Origin driving affordable space travel, space capital managing partner on Yahoo Finance. And won't play the video because sometimes you get a copyright playing a video on top of making a video, so... but you can find all this right on MSN Money. Virgin earlier Thursday said it's readying a private offer of $425 million of convertible bonds maturing in 2027. Stock fell more than 17%, set to finish at its lowest since December 18th of 2019, when it closed at $9.56. The stock is down 83%. from an all-time high closing of $59.41 on February 11th of 2021. Virgin said proceeds of the debt offering will go to fund working capital for general and administrative matters and CapEx to advance the development of its spacecraft fleet for the planned high-volume commercial service, Virgin said. So we'll see how much lower this one can go. It's already hit the 52-week low, so Virgin Galactic stock drops below a key support level. What's next? And as you can see, this is just dated today, so a couple hours ago. Shares are trading lower Thursday after the company announced a proposed convertible senior notes offering. Virgin Galactic intends to make available $425 million of convertible senior notes due by 2027 and a private offering to institutional investors. Stock has fallen between a level that has been previously held up as support and has been crashing ever since. Virgin Galactic was down 17.91% at $10.15 Thursday afternoon at the publication. And I believe it was a little bit lower than that, if I remember right. So the 52-week low of $10.02. So yes. Shares were trading in a sideways channel and fell below the key $15 level in late December of 2021. So it's come down quite a bit even since December. The area may now hold as an area of resistance for the stock, and if able to reclaim this level, the next area of strong resistance may be found near the $35 level. The stock trades below both the 50-day moving average in green and the 200-day moving average in blue. So here you can see the blue and the green, and there it's showing resistance. And down here on this line showing support. So what is next for Virgin Galactic? Has been on a downward spiral for the last half of the year and has fallen below all support lines. This shows bears are in full control of the stock and are looking for the stock to continue its downward trend. Bulls are looking to see the stock bounce back and start to head higher toward the 15 level once again. So like I said, maybe this is the bottom and now would be a time to buy, but I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. You just have to do that due diligence on your own. Bulls want to see more price come cross $15 once again and begin to form higher lows toward the resistance level. So we'll just have to wait and see what's going to happen with this one, but over here on Reddit, was hoping a $12.99 fill, but no, fire sell, and it's lower than that, so probably wouldn't be too upset. That's 15 days ago, but I wouldn't be upset for that one to not fill, but since it's down about $3 since then. Over here on StockTwits, currently at $10.03. 52-week low of $11.30 and a high of $62.80, and that needs to be updated. It's $10.02. Tomorrow will probably be flipping for pennies. Won't be surprised if that's hit 70 again in 2022. It could, but it's not going to do it tomorrow. Over here on MSN Money, currently showing it as a hold. Tip ranks currently showing it as a hold with 191% upside to 29.20. High of 50, low of 15. That's all that I have on Virgin Galactic. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis. Any other information you'd like to share on this one. Like I said, it's looking like it. I don't know how much lower this one's going to go, but like I said, now might be a definite time to watch this one for sure. So looks like it was down at 725 back in 2019, but don't know on this one. But if you have any other information on Virgin Galactic, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis. Any other information you'd like to share that would help us out make a determine whether this is a good buying price on Virgin Galactic or not. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.